This is a used 2005 Dodge Durango. Grab life by the horns. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.7-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include steering wheel controls, heavy-duty suspension, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats, privacy glass, air conditioning, power windows, power mirrors. Safety was made a priority with these features: a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Cortese Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 2440 West Henrietta Road, Rochester, New York, 14623.